Welcome to my channel NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate lens into the world of technology, bringing you the latest updates, groundbreaking innovations, and future-shaping trends. From cool gadgets to tech insights, we've got it all. Let's tech it up and explore the future together.
Programming is a valuable skill. In today's digital age, coding has become an essential tool for innovation and problem-solving. From developing apps to automating tasks, the applications of programming are vast and varied. Many people find it difficult to master. The journey to becoming proficient in coding is often filled with challenges and frustrations. Debugging errors, understanding complex algorithms, and keeping up with ever-evolving technologies can be overwhelming. It's more than just memorizing syntax. True coding mastery involves a deep understanding of logic, structure, and the ability to think critically. It's about knowing how to approach a problem and break it down into manageable parts. It's about thinking logically and solving problems. Effective programmers are those who can visualize the bigger picture and devise efficient solutions. They collaborate, brainstorm, and continuously refine their approach. This is where many aspiring programmers struggle. The initial excitement often gives way to confusion and doubt. Without the right guidance and tools, it's easy to feel lost and overwhelmed. They need tools to help them think critically and find solutions. Debugging tools, collaborative platforms, and interactive learning environments can make a significant difference in their learning journey. Traditional learning methods often fall short. Classroom settings and static tutorials can be limiting. They don't always provide the hands-on experience and real-time feedback that are crucial for mastering coding. Tutorials and online courses can only take you so far. While they are valuable resources, they often lack the interactive and practical components needed to fully grasp complex concepts. What's missing is a way to develop the critical thinking skills needed for real-world coding challenges. Real-world problems require more than theoretical knowledge. They demand practical experience and the ability to adapt and innovate. DeepSeek-R1 is here to bridge that gap. This innovative tool leverages the power of artificial intelligence to provide personalized learning experiences and real-time problem-solving assistance. It's an AI-powered coding assistant designed to revolutionize how we learn and apply programming logic. With DeepSeek-R1, aspiring programmers can gain the skills and confidence they need to tackle any coding challenge. DeepSeek-R1 is not just another code generator. It's a revolutionary tool designed to transform the way you code. It's an intelligent assistant that works alongside you, providing real-time feedback and suggestions. Imagine having a mentor by your side, guiding you to become a better programmer with every line of code you write. DeepSeek-R1 is designed to understand the logic behind the code, not just the syntax. This deep understanding helps you learn how to solve problems effectively by breaking down complex issues into manageable parts. One of DeepSeek-R1's key features is its adaptability. It can be customized to fit your unique coding style and preferences. It caters to all skill levels, from beginners to experienced coders, making it an invaluable tool for anyone looking to improve their coding skills. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, DeepSeek-R1 can provide personalized assistance tailored to your needs. It offers hints, suggests solutions, and even explains complex concepts in a way that's easy to understand, making learning more intuitive. With DeepSeek-R1, you can tackle challenging projects with confidence, knowing you have a reliable assistant to help you every step of the way. This makes the learning process more engaging and effective, turning every coding session into an opportunity for growth and mastery. Many people learn to code by following tutorials. They copy and paste code without understanding it fully. This is passive learning. It doesn't lead to a deep understanding of programming concepts. To truly master coding, you need to understand the why behind the code. You need to be able to break down problems and develop logical solutions. This requires active learning. DeepSeek-R1 encourages active learning. It doesn't just give you the answers. It guides you to find the solutions yourself. This helps you develop the critical thinking skills needed to become a successful programmer. ChatGPT is a powerful language model. It can generate code. However, it doesn't focus on teaching you how to code. It's more about providing quick solutions. DeepSeek-R1, on the other hand, is designed specifically for learning and improving coding skills. It focuses on logic building and problem solving. It provides detailed guidance and explanations to help you understand the reasoning behind the code. DeepSeek-R1 acts as a mentor. It helps you develop the skills to tackle any coding challenge. This makes it a more effective tool for long-term learning and mastery. Section 5. Unlocking your coding potential. A step-by-step guide to using DeepSeek-R1. In this section, we will walk you through the essential steps to effectively use DeepSeek-R1, a powerful tool designed to enhance your coding skills and streamline your development process. Using DeepSeek-R1 is simple and intuitive. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced developer looking to refine your skills, DeepSeek-R1 offers a user-friendly interface that caters to all levels of expertise. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, define your problem. This is a crucial step in any coding project. Clearly understanding the problem you want to solve will help you write more effective and efficient code. Start by clearly defining the coding problem you want to solve. Ask yourself, what is the end goal? What are the specific requirements and constraints? Having a well-defined problem statement will guide your coding process and keep you focused. What are you trying to achieve with your code? Next, input your code. This is where you start translating your problem statement into actual code. DeepSeek-R1's interface is designed to make this process as smooth as possible. Enter your code into DeepSeek-R1's interface. The platform supports multiple programming languages, so you can work in the language you're most comfortable with or the one best suited for your project. It supports multiple programming languages, making it versatile for various projects. Then, get personalized guidance. This is one of the standout features of DeepSeek-R1. DeepSeek-R1 will analyze your code and provide personalized guidance based on your skill level and the specific problem you're trying to solve. This guidance can include suggestions for improving your code, explanations of complex concepts, and tips for best practices. DeepSeek-R1 encourages an iterative learning process. This means you can continuously refine and improve your code based on the feedback and suggestions provided by the platform. It provides hints, suggests improvements, and explains concepts along the way, helping you learn and improve with each step. This iterative process not only helps you solve the current problem, but also enhances your overall coding skills. By following these steps, you can leverage DeepSeek-R1's capabilities to enhance your coding skills and tackle increasingly complex programming challenges. With consistent practice and the right guidance, you'll find yourself becoming a more proficient and confident coder, ready to take on any project that comes your way. Section 6. Mastering debugging with DeepSeek-R1. Debugging is an essential part of programming. DeepSeek-R1 excels in this area. It doesn't just identify errors. It helps you understand why the errors occurred. DeepSeek-R1 provides clear explanations of common coding errors. It suggests ways to fix them. This helps you learn from your mistakes and become a more effective debugger. Section 7. Beyond the code DeepSeek-R1 for enhanced problem solving. DeepSeek-R1's benefits extend beyond coding. It helps you develop problem-solving skills that are valuable in all aspects of life. By breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable steps, DeepSeek-R1 helps you develop a structured approach to problem solving. This skill is transferable to various domains, making you a more effective thinker and problem solver in general. Section 8. DeepSeek-R1, your partner in coding success. DeepSeek-R1 is more than just a tool. It's a partner in your coding journey. It empowers you to learn, grow, and excel in the world of programming. Its personalized guidance, focus on logic building, and intuitive interface make it an invaluable asset for anyone looking to master programming. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants to learn to code, DeepSeek-R1 can help you achieve your goals. Section 9. Join the DeepSeek-R1 revolution. We're excited about the potential of DeepSeek-R1 to transform how people learn to code. We believe it has the power to make programming more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. We encourage you to try DeepSeek-R1 and experience the difference it can make in your coding journey. We're always looking for feedback to improve our tool and make it even better. Join us on this exciting journey and unlock your coding potential with DeepSeek-R1.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.